the market has officially lost its mojo. So we're back to loving tech and just tech and not much else. That's how I feel after the Fed meeting today. After it broke up with Fed Chief Jay Powell explaining why policy is staying the same, there won't necessarily be a rate cut on the horizon. Not happening. Most of the market could benefit from a rate cut, but it would mean very little to companies like Microsoft or Meta, two hyperscaling members of the Magnificent Seven, veritable nation states that shot the lights out when they reported after the close tonight. I always find days like today mystifying. See, there's this camp. I'm going to call them an ill-informed segment because I used the word stupid too many times this morning, that somehow expects a surprise from the Fed, like a rate cut when it's least expected.
They know nothing!
Then when they don't get the surprise, what do?
Sell.
Which is why the Dow ultimately lost 172 points today. S&P shed 0.12%. NASDAQ actually gained 0.15%, though. I always say to myself, what are these numbskulls thinking? How can they be disappointed about something we all saw coming? The ironic part is that in the wake of their selling, we have a market that doesn't seem to have any oomph to it, aside from a handful of tech giants and their fellow travelers, like it's been for so long. We just say, you know what? All we're going to get is a boatload of attacks from the president against Chairman Powell, especially because there's no Fed meeting until September, for heaven's sake. So there's nothing that can be rectified. In the interim, it's just one more reason for Wall Street to freak out about the Fed losing its independence.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.